but I was very much excited about this rose look, and I'm very much disappointed now. I don't know what to do now. Hello my beautiful YouTube family, welcome to another vlog. Now past around 1-2 months back, I had created 4 must buy products from Saint Botanica and I had done unboxing of it. You can go and you can check it out from my previous video on my channel, it is there. So on the continuation of the same video over there, I had discussed one day cream, one night cream, one vitamin C brightening cream and one under eye cream. So I had told you all that I'm going to apply it properly on my skin. I'm going to properly follow a skincare regime with those creams and I'm going to review over that. So today in this video I'm going to talk about 2 creams, that is one day cream, one night cream from Bulgarian Rose Auto Glow range. So before proceeding, I would like to request all of you do subscribe to my channel so I can put more such interesting videos for you all by reviewing it. Let's talk about the day cream first. There are few points that I really did not like in this cream. I'm going to discuss, so keep watching me till the end. You should be very careful if you're planning to invest in these creams because these are really on an expensive side, and what I have experienced, I shouldn't feel that you should experience, or maybe I'm the only one who have experienced this. So please help me with it if you have also used this cream. So let's get started. This is the day cream. As the name says, it is a Bulgarian Rose Auto day cream with SPF 30 UVA and UVB protection. This is for all skin types. Also it contains 50 grams of the cream. All the description they have mentioned here behind. Saint Botanica, as you all know, is a trusted natural brand which does not contain any paraben, no silicones, no mineral oil. Also they do not do any testing, and if you see the ingredients in this, it contains natural extracts. As the name says, rose is the main ingredient in it. It contains Bulgarian Rose Auto essential oil, also rose hip pressed oil. Rose hip, as we all know, is the #1 oil in the skin aging, anti-aging regime. So this contains that oil. That's why this is on a little bit on expensive side. Also because this is a day cream, it contains UVA absorbing factors. The expiry of this is around for 24 months, that is 2 years, and the cost of this individual cream is 999, that is around for 1000 rupees. Similarly for the night cream also the cost is same. As you all know, night is the time when you want to heal your skin and all. So they have added additional of vitamin C, vitamin E, and also I can see neem, aloe vera, pomegranate seeds which are additionally added except for the day cream. Day cream is a beautiful cream. I really love this cream more than the night cream. The reason is that it is very lightweight, it is not at all greasy, and you can actually feel titanium dioxide and zinc oxide when you apply that. It gives little bit of white cast, not very ghost like white cast, but a little bit of white cast which says that it is having sunscreen. So that little bit of whitening effect that you get, and it is actually that's why they call it as Auto Glow, Rose Auto Glow, because your skin will actually glow. Even if you don't apply anything else, if you apply this only in the daytime, your skin will start glowing. I have applied this cream now and I have done a light makeup. My skin is glowing. Okay, so this is the best part about this cream. I skip sunscreen when I'm home, and whenever I'm outside I top it up with a proper sunscreen. Now if I discuss about the night cream is very thick. Okay, and during summers I'm not using this night cream at all. I just used it till February when it was winter. During summers I cannot use it. I started getting small acne. My skin is normal to dry, but still I cannot use it. So oily skin people, please do not even think of applying this during summers. Please use this during winters only, because it contains oil, rose oil, vitamin E oil, and many other thick agents. Can you see the cracks? Just let me tell you, it did not fail. I don't have any kids around, I don't have any pets around. I take care of my skincare like babies. In my house everyone tell me that I actually keep them in a proper manner, like no one should touch them. Everything with all the care this has happened. Okay, the lid has broken and all the particles are into the cream. This has happened on my second usage. I don't know whether the tub is delicate because it is a glass tub, but I was very much excited about this rose look, and I'm very much disappointed now. I don't know what to do. Now, what is the problem is that even if I remove the big particles from here, there are small particles from this tub which has entered into my cream, and I cannot apply the cream. I get all the scrubbing effect and it actually bruises my skin. Now I really don't know whether I have only received this defective tub and I'm the only, the unlucky one, or it is with the other people also. If you have used this and you have also faced this, then please comment below. You think I should lodge a complaint for this, or should I tell them to return it? I don't know what is the procedure with them, but I try to scoop little bit from the side and I apply because I wanted to review about it. I've been using this for more than 1.5 months, and I don't know, there are all big particles of this tub inside the cream, and I'm really scared because I don't know, there are very small particles also which can, actually go into my skin, and I get really hurt. I got hurt once or twice. So I don't know whether you should buy this or not. Be very careful if you want to invest. It's for 1,000 rupees, and if you may get such tubs also which looks really good initially, but later it just spoils the entire feel. Okay, this was the only bad part about this cream, that was the packaging. Otherwise, just I'm ignoring this part. I'm thinking that I only received this defective tub. Otherwise, if you are happy with the packaging, if you are willing to take this risk and buy, otherwise this day cream is fabulous. I love day cream more than the night cream for the fact that it is very much light in weight, and it gives a nice glowy look. As you can see, this contains UV factor as well, and it justifies, it actually does what it claims. It gives a nice glow, rose auto glow. So you can see my hand is little bit glowing, and if you check out the consistency of that of the night cream, it is little bit on a thicker side, okay, which also I love during the winters, because in summers you cannot use this night cream. Like, I'm going to take a break, maybe I'll use it during raining season or again during winter, or I have to finish this up quickly because only the shelf life is for 2 years. So what benefits you will get out of these two creams? Saint Botanica, they claim that the day cream actually protects you from UV rays, also gives hydration, moisturization, and the glow. The best part was the glow on the face. And the night cream, it actually repairs the skin. It actually removes all your dark spots, blemishes. It is having vitamin C, so it gives brightening effects. It is having vitamin E, so it actually gives hydration. To the normal to dry skin people will have the best benefits. Oily skin people, I feel, please use it with care, and please do not apply anything on top of this. This solo cream is only the thing that you can apply during night time along with the under eye cream. So I feel that this was it. I wanted to share this with you about the packaging and about everything. Otherwise, all the cream is fantastic. I really loved their name, their consistency, their texture, their effects, their effect, everything is fantastic. Only the packaging was the loophole that I found. And also, as you can see in this video, I have recently highlighted my hair. You can go and you can check it out from my previous vlogs, how I did it at home, this global highlights, in just less than 200 rupees. You can do it during your lockdown period. You'll be very much happy. If you like my video, please do not fail to subscribe and keep watching me on my channel. Bye bye.